اسلام آباد میں ٹیک ڈیسٹینیشن پاکستان کی تقریب نگران وزیر اعظم انوار الحق آکر تقریب سے خطاب کر رہے تھے. انہوں نے کہا کہ پائیدار ترقی کے لیے آئی ٹی کے شعبے پر خصوصی توجہ دے رہے ہیں. آئی ٹی کا شعبہ پاکستان کی معاشی ترقی میں اہم کردار ادا کر رہا ہے. انہوں نے یہ بھی کہا کہ آئی ٹی کے شعبے کی جدید دور میں بہت اہمیت ہے. پاکستان کی ترقی میں آئی ٹی کا شعبہ مزید کلیدی کردار ادا کرے گا. SIFC کے تحت آئی ٹی ملک کے ترجیحی شعبوں میں شامل ہے. ان کا یہ بھی کہنا تھا کہ پائیدار ترقی کے لیے آئی ٹی کے شعبے پر خصوصی
of IT and IT-enabled services. Pakistan was also ranked as the third most popular country for freelancing. Given that Pakistan actively solicits and advocates enhanced cooperation and collaboration within the local, regional, and global IT industry, presenting Pakistan as a tech destination to the world will help further augment the significant role of the IT sector in the digital economy. Distinguished participants, the Special Investment Facilitation Council and its various committees have already started to deliver and perform their role in an active manner. Among other priority sectors, the inclusion of IT sector under the umbrella of SIFC demonstrates the commitment of our government to further promoting the ICT industry. We believe that development of IT sector will bring huge benefits to the nation. It will help in creating more employment opportunities, increase revenue, lift service sector export, and boost fund services reserves. I'm glad to be part of this wonderful gathering today and to share with you all the efforts undertaken and the initiatives launched to promote IT sector. Pakistan, with its talented and skilled human resource base, digital infrastructure, entrepreneurial spirit, and vision to digital transformation, is all set to become a knowledge-based economy. The government of Pakistan, through its digital policy, envisions bringing economic prosperity and citizen empowerment through digital transformation. The Pakistan Software Export Board has increased the number of software technology parks, STPs, from 8 across Pakistan to 30 now. I am pleased to share with you we are in the process of establishment of another 40 software technology parks in the smaller cities across Pakistan. We are working on the vision of Digital Pakistan through multiple cross-sectoral digital transformation initiatives. To this end, we are taking every step possible to facilitate IT sector by creating an enabling environment and an ecosystem through a broad range of legislative, policy, regulatory, and operational initiatives with a focus on inclusion to help reap the full benefit of digitalization. We are fully aware of the relevance and significance of artificial intelligence in today's world. Artificial intelligence has the potential to transform various fields and revolutionize several industries, including healthcare, transportation, finance, education. Ministry of Information Technology and Telecommunications has come up with a draft of the National Artificial Intelligence Policy, which is indeed a commendable step. The government is also focusing on necessary